Hello everyone. Today we will be studying about Drug Technical Advisory Board under the chapter Drugs and Cosmetic Acts from subject Pharmacy Law and Ethics, presented by KG Saraf, lecturer, KK College of Pharmacy. So Technical Advisory Board, that is DTAB. It consists of ex officio members, which includes Director General of Health Services, Drug Controller of India, Director of Central Drugs Laboratory, Calcutta, Director of Central Research Institute, Kasoli, Director of Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Izzatnagar, President of Medical Council of India, President of Pharmacy Council of India, Director of Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow. It consists of nominated members, which includes 2 persons by central government, 1 person by central government from the pharmaceutical industry, 2 persons holding the appointment of government analyst under this act. Elected members consist of 1 person to be elected by Executive Committee of Pharmacy Council of India, 1 person to be elected by Executive Committee of Medical Council of India, 1 pharmacologist to be elected by the governing body of Indian Council of Medical Research, 1 person to be elected by Central Council of Indian Medical Association, 1 person to be elected by Council of Indian Pharmaceutical Association. The functions of DTAB are, the main function is to advise the central government and the state government on technical matters and to carry out other functions assigned to it by this act. So these were the constitution and functions of DTAB, that is Drug Technical Advisory Board.